Giweche kumanying lakteche mawuok Afrika oyango ni kwan mar joma mine man kod tuo mar rem mapek mar ich kach kinde ria kata endometriosis medre ahinya to e pacho kae. Lakteche go mane lose romo maduong' mane obagi e kaunti ma Kirinyaga wacho ni ochopo kinde ma nyaka koro gitim puonj ne lakteche mondo mi giyud lony thieth ne jotuo ma kamago. Tuo ni manyalo chakore kinde ria mokwongo mar nyathi manyako nyaka chop kinde ma ok oyude ria thieth mare malong'o pok oyangore e pacho kae. Thoth jotuo kinde mathoth itimo ne gibero ka thoth gi bende chwe ma onge gi nyithindo.
We know that in the Western world, the prevalence of endometriosis is 10%. So 1 out of 10 women will suffer from endometriosis. That data, we don't have it in Africa. And the reason why we don't have this data in Africa is because we have not done our duty as scientists to do enough research for endometriosis. Endometriosis can affect any part of the body, but commonly we see endometriosis affect structures that are around the uterus. So it can affect the ovaries, it can affect the fallopian tubes, and it can also infiltrate the uterus. But in some cases, we have seen where endometriosis is affecting the intestines or the bowels, it's affecting the bladder, and in some cases, it's affecting the diaphragm. Now, luckily enough, is in our setup, and I would really say, I think in the region, we have been able to attain sufficient skill to address all these conditions. And I would really say that we have been the first to offer care for endometriosis, especially the diaphragmatic endometriosis.
We came to join Dr. John Njagi, who is a known person in the continent when it comes to minimal surgery. So we came to join, see what he's doing, and acquire some skills so we can go back to our country and also help our women. The government needs to invest in it, not only in Kenya, government in even my own country.